Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will introduce you to Coventry University of the United Kingdom and walk you through the Master of Science in International Project Management taught at the university. Coventry University Group is a global organization with 7 campuses in England and several badged and branch campuses overseas. It delivers courses through partner providers in over 30 countries, and its global hubs build and foster in-country business links and connections. Coventry University is a forward-looking, modern university with a proud tradition of providing high-quality education and a focus on applied research. The students benefit from state-of-the-art equipment and facilities in all academic disciplines, including health, design, engineering laboratories, performing arts studios, and computing centers. The university has been chosen to host 3 national centers of excellence in teaching and learning, which has enabled it to invest substantial sums of money in health, design, and mathematics. Through links with leading-edge businesses and organizations in the public and voluntary sectors, university students can access project and placement opportunities that enhance their employability upon graduation. This was a brief introduction to the university. We will now discuss the Master of Science in International Project Management program. I will start with the program summary. Then, I will touch upon the extended professional practice. Next, we will see what the admission requirements are. There are also language test requirements, and I will tell you about those requirements. You must be wondering why you chose this program. Don't worry, I have got you. I will tell you the benefits of choosing this program. Knowing the course structure and content is imperative. We will learn these details. Those considering this program must be eager to see the employability chances and careers they can start after completing it. You will also learn about the career opportunities after you complete the program. Finally, I will briefly state how to apply for this program. Let's first discuss the program summary. This intensive course is designed for individuals who aspire to use high-level project management skills to significantly enhance global businesses' performance. The curriculum is meticulously crafted to mirror the tasks and challenges students will likely encounter in a professional environment. Students who pursue a Master's degree in International Project Management at Coventry University London will benefit from learning the latest, most pertinent techniques and best practices in the field. Upon graduation, the course is structured to prepare students for various professional certifications, including Prince 2, PMP, SCRUM, and APM. Let's see what the extended professional practice is all about. The Master of Science course has an extended professional practice option. This 18-month program is tailored for students who seek a deeper, more practical understanding of business operations. Participants will engage in 2 professional practice modules and internship with a host organization or a campus-based professional experience. Students are expected to spend 22 weeks in 1 or more work settings during this period, applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Upon completing the extended professional practice, students must produce a substantial, problem-based individual written project. You need to know the specific admission requirements. Before applying for the program, candidates must have completed a 4-year bachelor's degree. The minimum GPA required for admission is 65.0%. Every applicant needs to demonstrate minimum language test score requirements as well. Applicants appearing in IELTS must have an overall score of 6.5, with no band below 5.5 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Applicants writing TOEFL must have an overall score of 88.0, with a minimum score of 19.0 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Candidates appearing in PT must have an overall score of 71.0, with a minimum score of 59.0 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Coventry University London's Master of Science in International Project Management is a comprehensive program that equips students with the skills necessary to thrive in global business environments. The curriculum is updated regularly to incorporate the latest industry practices and methodologies, ensuring that graduates are well prepared to tackle contemporary challenges in project management. Moreover, the program's extended professional practice option provides students with invaluable hands-on experience, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. This unique feature allows students to gain insight into business operations, apply classroom teachings in real-world settings, and build a robust professional network. Students are investing in their education and future careers by choosing this program. The diverse skill set and professional certifications they acquire will open doors to numerous opportunities in various industries, making them highly competitive in the job market. Let's discuss the program's course structure and content. The course is divided into several core modules, each designed to build on the previous one, creating a comprehensive learning journey for students. Here is an overview of the key modules. The Project Management Fundamentals module covers the basic principles and methodologies of project management, including project lifecycle, scope, time, cost, quality, and risk management. Strategic project management covers aligning projects with organizational strategy, managing stakeholder expectations, and ensuring project success in a strategic context. The Global Business Environment module explores project management's global challenges and opportunities, including cultural differences, international regulations, and global supply chains. Advanced project management techniques will introduce students to advanced topics such as agile methodologies, project portfolio management, and technology in project management. Through professional practice modules, students will undertake internships or campus-based professional experiences, applying their knowledge in real-world settings and gaining practical insights. Graduates of this program will be well-positioned for a wide range of career opportunities in various industries, including IT, construction, healthcare, finance, and more. Potential job roles include Project Manager, Program Manager, Project Consultant, Business Analyst, Operations Manager. With the rising global demand for skilled project managers, graduates can expect to find rewarding and challenging positions in leading organizations worldwide. The professional certifications they attain during the course will further enhance their employability and credibility in the job market. Lastly, I will discuss how to apply for the program. Prospective students can apply for the Master of Science in International Project Management program at Coventry University London through Good Life Consultancy and Employment Services Private Limited. The application process involves submitting academic transcripts, proof of language proficiency, a statement of purpose, and letters of recommendation. Applicants may also be required to attend an interview during the selection process. If you want to know more about the application process, deadlines, and additional requirements, you should contact Good Life Consultancy and Employment Services Private Limited through their telephone number or email. If you like this informative video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening, and I will see you soon with a new video on another study program.